Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between all three of these electric spin scrubbers. So the first one here, this is the Tuyu, T-U-U-Y. I really do like it. It is the longest of all three. The next one here is the Keimi. And here's the attachments that come with it. It's got a metal handle, and this one speaks to you when you turn it on to tell you what position or what speed you got it on. And the next one up here is the Lyrifine. Here's the attachments that it comes with it. It is the shortest one of them all, but you can take it apart right here and make it even shorter. They all have a fixed angle and they all take USB-C to charge with. They all come with a cable, but you're gonna have to plug it into a wall outlet in order to charge each one. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Tuyu electric spin brush. Here I got it extended all the way. It's got a really nice display. We're gonna clean the corners first. You turn it on, it shows you the battery percentage, and then it's got low and then high. But wow, look how long that is. And it is really powerful. And if I need to go up the wall, super powerful. Okay, so now I put the flat scrubber on it. Let's put it on low. And let's scrub the bottom of the shower floor. Again, super long handle, very sturdy. I can extend that in and out. But the main thing is I'm not bending over to clean my bathroom. I can use it to clean the walls. Okay, so let's talk about this Tuyu electric spin scrubber. I thought it did a really good job cleaning my shower. It's super easy to assemble. It comes in 3 parts out of the box. So you're going to assemble this. You don't have to put this handle on, but I do like that it makes it nice and long. Snap that on, line this up, snap that on, and then I can also extend it. Another thing I like, it's USB-C charging. Underneath here, it does come with the cable, but you got to plug this into a wall outlet, 5 volts, 1 amp. But you're going to plug it in right there, and that's going to charge it. And then it tells you the battery amperage while you're charging it. That's kind of nice. And you've got the blue line is halfway around. That's 1 speed. You got low and high. So this is a fixed angle, taking the heads on and off. This is everything that comes with it. And then this is one of the ones I used. But again, just line up the 2 ears, press them on. It's very powerful. That's on low, let's go to high. And you turn it off. Let's go over length now. So again, if you just want to use this part of it, that's fine. That's about 1 foot, 12 inches. To this next handle's about 26. With all the handles installed, about 41, but we can extend it a little bit more. So anywhere in between there. This is one of the longest ones I've tested, 48 inches long. And it is very sturdy at that, with that long of a handle is very, very sturdy. A review on this electric spin brush. I've got the handle extended all the way. I'm in my shower. Let's clean it. You're first going to turn it on. Then you got to select the mode. 1, 2, 3, and then back to off. So let's go to 3. Again, I really like the long handle. I'm not bending over. It's very powerful. I can go up the wall. Okay, so I changed the head. I got the flat one on. I've got it on medium speed. Now I can clean the floor. Again, super powerful. When I'm done, I can go and I can start and clean the walls. Again, look how long that handle is. Wow. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the Keimi spin scrubber. So this, to charge it, you do have to take this part off. And there's where the USB-C is. But this is kind of a nice feature. You can have it be a handheld scrubber. Put the cap on. This part here can get wet. Again, you turn it on. It's got a display. Then you got a low speed, medium speed, high speed. And it does talk to you. Yeah, it's really powerful. It is gripper right here. And when you want to make it onto an extension, push this on. Now this is with its all the way, it's at a fixed angle, and that's about 40 inches long. But I can really extend this to several different indentations. So that ends up being extremely long. About 50 inches long. And it's metal, it is nice and powerful. You can see the metal handle is pretty strong. Got several different attachments. It does come with the USB-C cable to charge it, but you've got to plug this into a wall outlet. 5 volts, 1 amp. This is, and then these are really easy to change out. Just pull them off. They do stick on there pretty good, which is good, was what you want. There's like the Velcro. We've got this really soft one if you want to do some really soft cleaning. Got this big bristle brush here. Push it on. So lots of different options. Do a review on this electric spin brush. So I'm going to use it to clean my shower right now. I've sprayed some cleaner. The on-off button is right here. It's got 2 speeds of operation, kind of a low, then a high. I like that the handle extends. I can get right up in those corners, and it is really powerful. So I'm going to do all the corners first, and I'm not having to bend over. That's what's really, really nice. If I need to go up the wall. Okay, now I installed this flat scrubber. Let's turn it on high. Let's turn it on low. Even low is really, really powerful. Now I can scrub the bottom of the flat surface now. Let's go to high. If I need to do the walls, I'm not bending over to scrub my bathroom floor. Okay, so let's take a look at the Lyrifine electric spin scrubber. So I love that you can charge it with USB-C. It's right here in the middle. When you charge it, there's going to be a red light that comes on to let you know that to show you it's charging. Make sure you put this on, that keeps water out. This is very simple to operate. Low speed, high speed, and off. It's also very easy to disconnect. So it's going to come in 2 pieces. You can use it with just this handle. And this part here, you know, that's about 16 inches. But when we put this extension on, we can leave it folded up like that. That's about 30 inches. Or we can extend it to several different places along the way. Now with it extended all the way, it's right at 40 inches long. It does come with a cable that is USB-C, but you've got to plug it into a wall charger. The heads are very easy to put on and off. You just line up those 2 little indentations there and they snap on. Again, very powerful. Here's some other cleaning heads we get. This one's got Velcro. So you can put, this is like a really soft, and we've got these like Scotch-Brite scrubbers here. So that's very aggressive. So I did purchase all of these with my own money. I'll put links to them in the show description notes, but I really do like this one. I'm tall, I'm about 6'2", so this one I really did like the most. This is the Tuyu, $35. They've improved this one. I bought their first generation one of it, and it wasn't very powerful. I don't necessarily like that connection there. I think that you have to take that off every time in order to charge it. So I think that might end up getting kind of loose. But that one there, the The Keimi comes with the most attachments, but the next one I like the best, and it's the most expensive, I think because of that metal. But the next one I like is this one. This is the Lyrifine, $30. It comes with quite a few attachments. And then the one I like the most comes with the fewest attachments, but I use this one the most and that one the most. And again, I was tall. That's why I liked it the most. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.